So here we go, quarantine cruise number 4. This is gonna be bonkers today. First one was about 30 cars. Second one, maybe 100. Third one was up to 500. Today is gonna be officially insane. We're looking at over 1,100 cars that have already signed up to let us know they're coming, and God knows how many cars this is gonna be. So hold on, because here we go. All right, you guys, we're down on Main Street and they are rolling through. I never use this word, but this is truly epic what's going on here. So enjoy all the cars rolling through, because this is gonna be non-stop, man. Hit $1 million car.
Aye.
All right, you guys, we're here at the final meetup of quarantine cruise number 4. I gotta be honest, I don't know the count on cars, but just based on the how many there have been, I gotta guess we're talking in the realm of somewhere around 1,000 cars today for this. And what a cool thing, you know, you have the opportunity to get out of your car and look at a bunch of great cars, or if you're concerned about the so-called quarantine, then you can stay in your car. I see people with masks, I see people without masks, but the main thing I see is people with passion for automotive like you and me. So I'm gonna say goodbye, say thanks for hanging and watching and supporting what we do, and leave you with a little bit of B-roll to watch some rad cars rolling by. Later, man.